Resuscitate. To revive someone from unconsciousness or bring something back to life or activity. The team made efforts to resuscitate the failing project. He tried to resuscitate the drowning victim. Disown. To refuse to accept someone as part of your family or to deny any connection with a person or thing. They chose to disown the statement made by their spokesperson. He publicly disowned any involvement in the incident. Divulge. To reveal or share secret or private information. They were warned not to divulge confidential information. The report did not divulge the full truth. Obsolete. No longer in use or outdated, often replaced by something newer. Many traditional methods are now considered obsolete. His old phone became obsolete after the new model was released. Backlog. A large amount of work or tasks that have not been completed and are waiting to be done. There was a backlog of orders during the busy season. He spent the weekend catching up on his backlog. Ailment. A minor illness or health problem. The medicine helps treat everyday ailments. Many people ignore small ailments until they worsen. Confiscate. To take something away from someone, especially by authority or as a punishment. The officer confiscated the driver's license. They warned that they would confiscate any prohibited materials. Reiterate. To say or repeat something again for emphasis or clarity. She reiterated the importance of hard work. I will reiterate my request one more time. Companion. A person or animal who spends time with you or keeps you company. He enjoys traveling with a companion. The old man found a companion in his neighbor. Embellish. To add extra details or decorations, often to make something more interesting or attractive. They used lights to embellish the stage. The artist embellished the design with bright colors. Dispense. To give out, distribute, or provide something, often in a formal or official way. The teacher dispensed helpful advice to the students. The charity dispensed food to those in need. Compel. To force or strongly persuade someone to do something. The situation compelled her to make a quick decision. They were compelled to leave due to the bad weather. Concede. To admit something is true or accept defeat after resisting. The team conceded the match after a tough fight. They finally conceded the point during the debate. Elaborate. To explain something in more detail or add more information. He asked the teacher to elaborate further. They elaborated the topic with clear examples. Venerate. To respect or honor someone or something deeply, often with great admiration. They venerate historical figures for their contributions. She venerates her grandparents and their values.